Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can set alert on TradingView mobile app. So let's go and do that. Now, if you go here to the charts and probably you have selected whichever coin, doesn't matter. Now, at the bottom here, where you see 1 week, you see these three dots right below it. Click on that, and here you will see under the tools, indicators, compare, and alerts and bar reply. So click on the alerts, and now we can create alert. So click on that button, and now we have symbol Ethereum and condition. Now I can select price, megatrend, or RSI. So I will go with price. Then I can choose crossing, crossing up, crossing down. I can set value, whatever I want, megatrend, RSI, or value. Then I can select trigger only once or every time and expiration date. So let's go with that one. Yes, set like so. And then we have some messages here. We can set alert name and message, and also notification. We can enable push notification, show toast notification on desktop, send email, or however we want. When we are happy with that, just click on the button create, and we have made ourselves uh, an alert. So if I go back to these three dots under this, now we can see that we have alert activate for 2 days now. So this is how you can create yourself an alert. After that, you can click on it, and you can also stop it, clone, or add it if you want to change something. So this is how you can create alerts for your selected currencies. And yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.